Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're camping, this UCO mess kit is a must. There's so many things that I like about this little kit. So it basically has 5 pieces. It has a fork and a spoon, which also has a knife on it. It has the plate and the bowl and a cup that folds up. It also has a really nice seal, so I can leave stuff inside when I'm traveling. I really like that. We went trekking with this kit for 7 days and it worked so well. We made everything from tuna sandwiches to coffee and soups and porridges. It was so great. I really like that it has an airtight seal. So if I was trying to cook like some oatmeal or something and I closed the lid, it would stay really hot. The 3-in-1 Spork is also nice. I like the size. It's comfortable to eat with. Even though the cup is foldable, it doesn't feel flimsy at all. I like that the yellow part of the cup, it's actually hard, so it's nice to drink out of. And the yellow part of the bowl here, it's nice and deep, so it works excellent for soups. So if you're looking for a lightweight, durable mess kit with a bowl, I really like this one. I think it's super, and that's my point of view.